In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Huntington Bank online banking account. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading directly to the official website at https://www.huntington.com. Take a second to confirm you see the lock icon and that the URL begins with HTTPS and that the domain is exactly huntington.com. This is important to protect yourself from lookalike sites. If you plan to log in regularly, consider bookmarking the homepage so you always return to the correct place. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Login button. If a small menu appears, choose the option that fits your account type. Select Personal for individual accounts or choose Business or Commercial if you manage a business banking profile. Picking the right portal ensures you land on the correct sign-in page and avoids unnecessary error messages. On the login screen, enter your username and your password carefully. Both fields are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your credentials and consider using a private browsing window for extra safety. When you're ready, click Login or press Enter. You may be asked to complete a quick security check. This could be a security question or a two-factor authentication code sent to a trusted device or email you've set up. Keep that device nearby and enter the code promptly since these codes usually expire. Never share verification codes with anyone. If you receive a code you didn't request, pause and review the situation before proceeding. After verification, you'll be taken to your online banking dashboard. From here, you can review account balances, pay bills, move money between accounts, and manage your cards and alerts. Take a moment to explore any security or alert settings so you'll be notified about important activity. And remember to sign out when you're finished, especially on devices you don't control. If you run into trouble signing in, use the Forgot Username Password link on the login page and follow the guided steps to recover or reset your credentials. If you still can't access your account, reach out to Huntington Customer Service through the official website's contact page or visit a local branch for in-person assistance. They can verify your identity and get you back in securely. That's it. Go to the official site, choose the right login, enter your credentials, complete any security checks, and manage your banking from the dashboard. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.